Sometimes we hear a little voice in our mind, and it says things that make us feel small. I'm not good enough. I always mess up. Nobody likes me. That voice might sound like ours, but guess what? That voice isn't telling the truth. You are not your mistakes. You are not your worries. You are so much more. Tonight, we're going to learn how to speak to ourselves with kindness. We're going to use powerful words, gentle words, loving words. These words help your heart feel light. They help your mind feel calm. They remind you of who you really are. When you say kind words to yourself, your brain listens, your feelings change, and your heart starts to glow. So snuggle up in your cozy blanket, let your body relax, and let's breathe in some kindness. Deep breath in and slow breath out. You are safe here. You are loved, and you are about to remember how special you truly are. Sometimes we hear a little voice in our mind, and it says things that make us feel small. I'm not good enough. I always mess up. Nobody likes me. That voice might sound like ours, but guess what? That voice isn't telling the truth. You are not your mistakes. You are not your worries. You are so much more. You are growing. You are learning. You are trying. And that matters. Tonight we're going to learn how to speak to ourselves with kindness. We're going to use powerful words, gentle words, loving words, words that build us up, not tear us down. These words help your heart feel light. They help your mind feel calm. They remind you of who you really are. A bright, brave, beautiful you. When you say kind words to yourself, your brain listens, your feelings change, and your heart starts to glow. So snuggle up in your cozy blanket. Let your body relax. And let's breathe in some kindness. Deep breath in and slow breath out. You are safe here. You are loved, and you are about to remember how special you truly are. I am allowed to make mistakes. Mistakes help me learn and grow. I am still a good person. I try my best, and that is enough. I am kind to myself. I speak gently to my heart. I forgive myself when things go wrong. I am learning every day. I am not bad. I am becoming better. My thoughts are powerful, and I choose kind ones. I believe in myself, even when it's hard. I am proud of who I am. When I feel sad, I can comfort myself. I can ask for help, and that's okay. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to be me. I am loved no matter what. I can learn from today and try again tomorrow. I am growing stronger, smarter, and more loving every day. I am enough, just as I am. I deserve to hear kind words. I choose to treat myself like someone I love. My heart deserves gentle care. I am doing my best, and that's something to be proud of. I don't have to be like anyone else. I am special just by being me. When my mind says something mean, I can stop and change it. I can say, that's not true, and choose a better thought. I have the power to rewrite the story I tell myself, and my story is beautiful. I am brave for being myself. I am brave for trying. I am proud of my big heart. I forgive myself when I feel upset. I can feel my feelings without fear. I can talk to someone I trust. I am not alone in this. I am supported by love. Even on hard days, I am worthy of kindness. Even when I make mistakes, I deserve love. I will keep showing up for myself. I will keep speaking with kindness. I am patient with myself. I am allowed to take my time. I celebrate the small steps I make. Every effort counts, even when it feels invisible. I can smile at myself in the mirror. I can say, I love you to the person I see. That person is doing great things. Every single day. That person deserves kindness. Always. My thoughts are my choice. I choose words that feel good inside. I choose words that feel like sunshine. I choose to be a friend to myself. If I fall, I get back up. If I forget, I can try again. I don't give up on myself. I believe in my own heart. I am learning to love who I am. I am learning to trust my voice. I am learning to speak with care. I am proud of my journey. I am kind to myself. I am loving and brave. I am growing every day, and I deserve kind words. Always. I am worthy of love. Just because I exist, I don't have to earn love. I already have it. I don't have to be perfect. I just have to be me. I bring joy to the people who love me. I bring light to the world. By being myself, I am not too much. I am just right. My voice matters. My thoughts are important. What I feel is real. And it's okay. I am safe to be myself. I am allowed to be different. I am allowed to take up space in the world. I am not wrong. I am wonderfully unique. Every time I say kind words to myself, I grow a little stronger inside. My kindness builds me up. My love heals me. I am enough. Always. I am gentle with my heart. I am proud of my courage. I am learning. And that is something to celebrate. I am growing into someone amazing. I am proud of my progress. I notice the good things about me. I remind myself that I'm doing great. My heart is kind. My spirit is strong. I light up the world with my smile. I speak gently to my feelings. I treat myself with patience and care. I give myself the same love I give to others. I protect my peace. When I feel unsure, I breathe and pause. I remind myself that I am safe. I can figure things out with time. I trust that I will be okay. I don't need to rush to be someone else. Who I am today is already wonderful. I can grow slowly and shine brightly. I choose to listen to the kind voice in my heart. That voice says, "You're doing just fine." That voice says, "You are loved." That voice says, "You are amazing." I believe in my journey. I trust myself to grow. I trust myself to heal. I trust myself to keep going. I talk to myself like a best friend. I encourage myself when things are hard. I remind myself how far I've come. I give myself love. Even when I feel low, I can feel proud of my progress. I can look back and smile. I can look forward with hope. I can rest in the truth that I am enough. The way I speak to myself matters. Words are powerful, and I choose words that help me bloom. I plant seeds of kindness in my mind every day, and those seeds grow into strength, joy, and love. I love myself for who I am. I cheer for myself when I grow. I am learning, changing, and becoming someone I really love. I am kind, I am brave. I am growing. I am loved always. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and let it out slowly. Again, in and out. Let your body feel soft and still. Now imagine you're walking through a gentle, magical garden. The sky is pink and golden. The air is warm and kind. Flowers of every color bloom all around you. These aren't regular flowers. Each one holds a kind word, a word meant just for you. You walk up to a blue flower. It whispers, "You are enough." You pick it gently and place it in your heart. You find a yellow flower that says, "You are doing great," and a pink one that sings, You are loved. Each word makes your heart feel lighter. Each one reminds you that you are special. A soft breeze carries more words to you. You are kind. You are strong. You are growing beautifully. As you walk, you find a tree glowing with warm light. You sit under it and feel completely safe. The tree hums a song made of love. In this garden, you can come back anytime. Whenever you feel sad or hear a mean voice, this garden will remind you of the truth, that you are worthy, that you are loved, that kind words live inside you. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Feel your body getting cozy, your heart calm, your thoughts quiet. You are safe. You are peaceful. You are full of love and light. Tonight you gave your heart something truly special. The gift of kind words. You let go of the mean voice and listen to the loving one inside you. You reminded yourself that you are not your mistakes, that you are growing, that you are worthy. Every time you choose kind words, you plant seeds of love, and those seeds grow into something strong and beautiful, like you. Even on days when things feel hard, you can come back to this feeling. You can speak softly to yourself. You can say, I am enough. I am learning. I am loved. Let those words stay in your heart as you sleep. Let them wrap around you like a soft blanket. Let them become your new voice. A voice of kindness, courage, and care. You've done a brave thing tonight. You've taken care of your mind. You've chosen love. And now, it's time to rest. From all of us at Cheda, you are safe. You are loved, and you are perfect. Just the way you are.